Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your online privacy and security while browsing the web, DNS over HTTPS or DOH is something you should definitely enable. In this video, I'll show you how to enable and set up DOH in Google Chrome step by step. Let's get started. Before we dive in, let me quickly explain what DNS over HTTPS is. Normally, when you type a website into your browser, your device sends a DNS request to convert that name, like google.com, into an IP address. But these requests are usually sent in plain text, which means they can be seen or even intercepted by others on your network. DNS over HTTPS encrypts that communication, making it much harder for third parties to snoop on your activity. It's a big win for privacy. Just click the three dots in the top right corner and scroll down to Settings and click on it. Next, click on Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Security section and click on it. Look for Use Secure DNS and toggle it on if it is not on. You'll see options like with your current service provider or providers like Google, Cloudflare, or OpenDNS. You can also add your own custom provider. If your current ISP supports DOH, you can leave it as is. But for maximum reliability and privacy, I recommend switching to a well-known DOH provider like Google or Cloudflare. And that's it. You've just enabled DNS over HTTPS in Chrome and taken one more step to keep your online activity more secure and private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss future privacy tips and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.